All right, so Atlanta bound, about 2.5 hours from here. Meeting up with Holden about 20 minutes from here, and then about an hour from here, we're meeting up with Martin. So 2 L5P Duramaxes. One is a gigantic L5P, and the other one is a lowered fast L5P. So let's go. Let's see if you can see this. I'm averaging about 15 on the interstate. We gotta do something about this. This is not good. My LOI averages about 20 on the interstate right now. So maybe a bigger turbo, downpipe, and better tune might help me get, you know, maybe 17, 18 on the interstate. And it'll sound freaking awesome having bigger turbo. So that might be what we're gonna have to do on the Denali next. We're about 5 minutes out from meeting up with Martin. For those of you guys that are maybe new, and maybe if you haven't seen the video, Martin has a L5P Duramax similar to Holden's, but it's, I would say, completely opposite, because Martin's truck is on a 10-inch McGaughy's lift, 24x14 and 38s. That thing is a beast. So we're about to meet up with Martin. We're about an hour away from Atlanta Diesel Performance, but we figured we just meet up and then, you know, cruise together, because we have about an hour drive. So let's meet up with him. I'll show y'all his truck in a minute. I think we found Martin. Let me see. Holy cow, it's so busy over here. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for blocking me. A little common sense. You too. Oh, there she is. This truck is massive. Martin! What's up, Primo?
Truck.
That's a bad truck.
Yo, it looks very good.
Thank you. You haven't seen it since the lift and everything.
I know, I haven't seen it with the stickers, nothing like it.
That's right.
It's badass. I like the combo.
Thank you.
Yeah. Did your buddy come?
He's gonna meet us there.
Okay.
He's running a little late. All right, let's go. All right, T-minus 1 hour until we get to Atlanta Diesel Performance. We have Martin cruising with us. Man, that thing is such a beast, Martin. Wow, look at that. There you go, hope you saw that. Man, that thing is a beauty. All right, about 2 minutes out from the shop. All right, I'm assuming it's all the way down there, according to the GPS. So we'll keep going. I see a power stroke. There it is, Atlanta Diesel Performance. I don't know where I'm gonna park. Let's just pull in here. I think they're already pretty much. So we've made it to Atlanta Diesel Performance, and like I told you guys before, I've always wanted to try putting 38s on my truck. I just wasn't sure if I would be able to fit 38s. Well, we got our good friend Martin right here, 24x14 with 38s. So we're gonna try to put his wheels and tire setup on my Duramax. 10 to 12 inch lift set at 10. And mine is a 7 to 9 inch lift set at about 8.5.
What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, me
It
too.
looks good.
Oh man, oh man. Uh-oh.
It'll be close.
Dude, holy cow. I'm calling it right here.
Where's he scrubbing? Let's hear it.
I'm thinking.
Call it.
I'm
Wake your
calling,
bets.
I'm calling here because there's already
Right there?
scrubbage here.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm calling right here. I think he'll be good here, but there. No.
Yeah, the front he's fine. Just tractor turn, you'll be alright.
Nice and slow. Hey,
In the Griffin files.
hey, everything I own scrubs, okay?
There you go. You don't need to turn that much.
If we don't scrub, don't look good.
You ain't scrubbed, you ain't done.
That's close.
Close enough.
But it'll work.
Roast them.
Burnout time. Burnout time. Not my tires.
The guy with the L5
Yeah, Mr. 700 horsepower Duramax. You got enough space. Be alright. There's a thing called natural trimming. If you turn and you just let it go, eventually it won't rub anymore.
I'll just splice a ball 38.
No, it'll cut through the tire enough. Eventually, it won't scrub anymore. You'll be all right.
So let's see how they look. Oh my gosh, they look so sick. Look at them. Dang, let's go ask everybody what they think. Your thoughts?
Looks amazing. It looks beautiful. It looks good. Really good.
Thank you. What do y'all think?
Looks pretty good.
I think it works for the chrome.
Definitely works with the chrome.
Yes?
Oh, yeah.
Yay? Yay?
Yeah.
Can't even take him home now.
Oh yeah.
Hey Martin, they said I have to keep them.
No, they said I can sell them to you. The tire, I don't know, they look very beefy. Like very
Right.
like
I
they're
know,
like,
right? Martin, you're the man for letting me like
Yeah.
test your 38s.
you good?
Now I know I can fit 38s, but
Yep.
the thing is, I have to do 38 by 1350.
Yeah, 30-50. No more.
I can't do 38,
Because it
1450.
barely.
Right.
Well, yeah.
Maybe I could turn it up a little bit. I don't know, because I like the way it rides.
It makes me think, damn, I should have just went with a smaller lift kit.
Really?
Because
And I'll trade you.
No, I'm saying because with your truck, with the lift you got, what you sitting on what right now? On 9 inches or what?
No, it's like an 8.
Is that 8? So
Yeah.
you're sitting at 8, so it has that. It's still high,
Yeah.
but with the 38s, the 24s by 14 and 38s by 13 and a half,
Right.
it gives it that
Yeah,
mean
the
stance.
Bulldog,
Yeah.
whereas your
Because
truck
mine
is
is kind of too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, guys, what do y'all think? These are my Archons on Martin's truck. I think they look pretty freaking good with this black truck because I mean,
His lift kit and everything is black. His powder coating is silver. So the chrome, like the milled edges on the wheel, matches everything else. Pretty good. Traction bars are black. Man, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. What do y'all think? Maybe if he had some 38s or 40s on this, I mean, this would look really sick. But if we look at my truck, I've never been a chrome guy or a polished guy, but oh my gosh, just look at that. And the 38s on this is perfect, I want to say. And I like the way it looks. I like the way it rides too. So I might be doing 38s next. But huge shout out to guys at ADP for letting me do the test fit. I would have never known if 38s would fit unless I would have done a test fit, but gosh. Robert, what do you think?
Those?
Yeah.
I mean, I like black wheels more.
Like them?
I like black wheels more, but I think they look good. They look good. They do.
pops.
It
It
matches
pops.
all the chrome that you have on it.
True.
Screams Denali like chrome. Am I
That's
right?
right. That's right.
Okay, so his thing is he'll walk up and he has a Denali. So he's like, this gives me the right to say it. He'll come in and go, nothing says douchebag like Denali.
I mean, I'm not gonna deny it. As a Denali guy. All right, so here's a little quick height difference. 38s on the 7 to 9 inch lift, set it around 8 inches. This is probably, I want to say 10 inches of lift. Still a lot taller than my truck. 37s, 38s, but I still have enough room to go up a little bit. Set it at 9. I can raise the back another 1.5 inches, so I could truly set this at 9 inch lift and do 38. So leave a comment below what you guys think. I mean, this is just ridiculous. It's pretty awesome how wide and... Came with the Ram, drove 2.5 hours to Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, you running chromes now, son?
Look at it, look at it.
What? Damn, bro.
No, come here.
Hold on. Wait, what are these? 30?
They're 38s.
They're 38s?
Bro. What do you think?
That just... Wow, man. Are these yours or are they just like some runway?
We're just doing a test fit.
Yeah, man, you need to go chrome.
You think so?
100%.
100%?
Bro, look at the chrome that you got on the front grill and
I know.
everything. Like, you got the grill, the pieces on the bumper. Like, I mean, change it to chrome, change the stickers out, change the color of the stickers. Chrome stickers would be too flashy.
No, I'm gonna be flashy.
Well then, yeah, run that. I would run that in a heartbeat. That looks so much better than well. Okay, here's the thing. Those Archons look really good. So if you can find an Archon, and
I think they do.
bro, those look good.
All
It
right.
makes the truck look so much bigger.
3,000 likes, and I will switch over to chrome or polished wheels. And 38s. They're 38s, Cam.
Yeah, I heard it in the video earlier, and I was like, I figured he'd just get new tires or something. Dude, those are big.
Like, look at it compared to the 37.
Oh, okay, these are yours. I see. I was like, something happened here. Damn, son. That's big, though.
All right, so after leaving Atlanta Diesel Performance, we went to a local truck meet, Lowe's parking lot, and it was pretty lit. There's nothing like that in Augusta. I was actually pretty impressed. There were a lot of trucks to look at. It is currently almost 11 o'clock. We are on our way back. We have about 3 hours of driving. So Cam needs to fill up, but since we are at a gas station, I'm gonna go get a Monster and whatnot because I feel like I'm gonna need it. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Man, there was a lot going on today, and we had a lot of fun at Atlanta Diesel Performance. So make sure to give them a follow. Let's get up to 2,000 followers. But I will see you guys in 2 weeks.
Nice to know ya, let's do it.